What you can expect from the MentorEDGE training program is constant expert speakers coming in to teach you about the sales contracts, about the listing agreements. We have lenders that come in to teach you about financing 101. They go into even teaching us about marketing that's so important for your business. We also provide opportunities for all sorts of vendors to be in front of our agents to build those relationships so that way when they're out in the field, they have someone to reach out to that's the expert.
We do get a lot of conversations with other agents and other companies how they enjoy the MentorEDGE students because they really do know what they're doing. The agents themselves that go through the MentorEDGE, we have several that have been very successful and still here at Premier Plus. They're doing, 22 million a year in transactions, but their start was because they had that broker support.
Getting your license and being a new agent can be a scary step. But what's great about the MentorEDGE training program is we take that and we break it down into multiple steps to keep you moving forward. So when you feel comfortable and you're ready to get out there and feel that confidence, you're ready to rock and roll.
This is totally my heart. I came here wanting to open the door to agents the way Premier Plus opened the door for me and welcome them into a family instead of just a real estate company.
You just got your license and you're wondering which brokerage to join. Join us here at Premier Plus Realty and our MentorEDGE training program where you will receive so much support, dedication on the training and education that you can take and implement into your business today.